If your action cam doesn't stay put, is it really action ready? Introducing BLEEQUP Ranger, your first cycling camera glasses for the most immersive ride ever. With simple one-click, start your journey and capture every moment along the way. The GPT-powered glasses catch your ride's best moments, tagging them smartly, and provide professional-grade protection in an all-around way. Stay connected with real-time intercom. Talk clearly with your buddies.
That road ahead. Must be careful.
Even against strong winds at high speeds. Designed for precision, the contrast-enhancing lens sharpens your vision and boosts safety on the road. Mark emergency stops, same as a dash cam. The battery pack gives you more time to record. Just keep going. The exclusive dual speaker system on each side brings high-definition open-ear audio like never before. Engage yourself in the vibe while staying aware of the surrounding sounds. Break through the wind, embrace the scenery, and fully immerse yourself in the flow. No need for manual editing. BLEEQUP AI picks the best moments and turns them into an epic video. View your ride stats and relive the sights that made it unforgettable. BLEEQUP Ranger. Your ride, your story. Enjoy the content? Join the community of innovators and check the details below.